Question 9. Match the column A with column B. This is column A. Some graphs are given. Now look here, all the terms are pressure, volume. That means this is definitely Boyle's law. V is proportional to 1 upon P. Volume of given mass of gas is inversely proportional to pressure of that gas at constant temperature. Now look here, V is equal to K into 1 upon P. Sorry. Now look here, V is proportional to 1 upon P. Now this is Y is equal to mx, straight line. Therefore ये जो second का option है ये third है. Then we know that pressure volume relationship inversely proportional. Third का option है fourth. Then PV is equal to K. Product of pressure into volume is always constant. Now look here. That's why PV versus P. PV is always constant. Horizontal line. Fourth का आएगा 1. Then 1 का negative slope है. Log P versus log V. First का option है second. Now look very carefully. Y is equal to mx, straight line passing through the origin. These are the options. 1 का second, second का third, third का fourth, fourth का first. D is the correct option. Question 10. A graph of PV versus P at a given temperatures are here. 3 different temperatures are given. T1, T2, T2. Then which is the correct representation of the graph? PV versus P. Just we earlier show, see here, PV versus P. This is the graph. That's why possibility of A and B ruled out, neglected. Then here question arises whether C is correct or D is correct. Now look here, PV, product of pressure and volume, is nothing but the constant. But here temperature, now PV increases. We know that pressure is directly proportional to temperature. Gay-Lussac's law. Volume is directly proportional to temperature. PV directly proportional to temperature. As PV increases, temperature also increases. Therefore, T1 is greater temperature than T2 inter greater than T3. C is the correct option. 11. The sublimation temperature of dry ice, solid carbon dioxide gas at 1 atmosphere having density 2.75 gram per liter is. How to calculate sublimation temperature? What is the sublimation temperature? The temperature at which 1 mole of a substance is directly converted into its vapor form, gaseous form. Density is given. Use the ideal gas equation. PV is equal to nRT. PV is equal to number of moles, weight upon molar mass, RT. P is equal to W upon V, RT upon M. Weight upon volume is equal to density, dRT upon M. How to calculate temperature? Therefore, T is equal to PM upon RT is equal to P 1 atm. Molar mass of carbon dioxide gas 44. Then R value, this is in a liter. Atmosphere per Kelvin per mole 0.082. Temperature, how to find out the temperature? Sorry, here PM upon RD. Okay. Now density is equal to 2.75. This is the density. Now look here. After solving this will come 195 Kelvin and convert this 195 Kelvin is not given here. Therefore, temperature in degree Celsius is equal to temperature in Kelvin minus 273. 195 minus 273 is equal to minus 78 degrees Celsius. Is the correct option? A is correct one. Question 12. A graph of log V versus log T at constant pressure is straight line. Then which of these match? Now, and at constant pressure, this is nothing but Charles law. What is the Charles law tells? V is proportional to T at constant pressure. V is equal to Kt. Here log values are asked. Let us take log to the base 10 V is equal to log to the base 10 K plus log to the base 10 T. Then we have here log to the base 10 V is equal to log to the base 10 T plus log to the base 10 K. As T changes, V changes, K constant. This is equation y is equal to x plus c. Slope is equal to here m is equal to slope. Slope is equal to 1. Slope 1 is a nothing but tan theta. And what is the tan theta? When tan theta is equal to 1? When tan 45. Then tan 45 is equal to 1. M is equal to 1. Okay, slope is equal to 1. Tan 45 is equal to 1. M slope is a 1 here. Mx. What is the value of M? 1. And intersect. Now look here. Y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to mx plus c, where m is equal to tan theta. M is equal to 1. Therefore, the correct option is B. The units of van der Waals constant A and B for 1 mole of a gas respectively are. For this, we have to know the van der Waals equation for 1 mole of gas. Van der Waals equation, pressure correction, P plus A upon V square into V minus B. This is a volume correction, is equal to RT. We have to determine the unit of van der Waals constant A and van der Waals constant B. Now look here, this is total part pressure. Pura part here pressure. This is pressure. Therefore, unit of P is equal to unit of A upon V square. Therefore, P into V square is unit of this A. What is the unit of a pressure and a volume in terms of a Newton meter range is a given here. Pressure Newton per meter square. Volume meter cube. V square meter raised to 6. Then minus 2 plus 6 plus 4 Newton meter raised to 4. This is the unit of van der Waals constant A. Let us see the unit of van der Waals constant B. Here this is the volume correction. Therefore, unit of V is equal to unit of B directly. For the unit of a V directly meter cube, and this is the unit of van der Waals constant B. A का unit है N m raised to 4 and B का unit है m cube. C is the correct option. Question 14. Which of the following is incorrect? Let us see here, dear students. In this, I have to again solve this one. Question number 14. इसको कट कर देते हैं. Question number 14. Let us see. If the compressibility factor Z is less than 1, there exists net repulsion between gas molecules. I will draw the curve here. PV versus here V. Now, This is for ideal gas. Here Z is exactly equal to 1. Here this is at low pressure. This is at high pressure. High pressure. Z1 कब होगा इधर? Less than 1. Now let us take here Z is equal to PV upon RT. For 1 mole of an ideal gas, this is the value of compressibility factor. Z is equal to PV upon RT. Z1 कब होगा? P लेस होना चाहिए, वॉल्यूम भी लेस होना चाहिए, ये इधर आ जाएगा, ये पीवी लेस होना चाहिए, प्रेशर लेस है तो फिर Z का वैल्यू लेस देन 1 मीन्स देयर एग्जिस्ट नेट रिपल्शन. नो, देयर विल बी दी attraction. If the compression factor Z is less than 1, there exists net repulsion. No, there exists attraction. Therefore, this is incorrect statement. But we have to give here many options here. We have to see here. Second, a gas will approach ideal behavior at a high temperature and a low pressure. This is the correct one. ये correct है, ये incorrect है, ये incorrect है. Okay, let us see here. Third, the relationship between critical temperature, critical volume and critical pressure is given back. Now let us, for this one, we have to write down the TC, PC and VC value. We know that TC is equal to here 8A upon 27 RB. Then PC is equal to A upon 27 B square. Then VC is equal to 3B. Let us write in this form TC upon PC VC. Let us write in this form. What is the value of TC? 8A upon 27 RB. What is the value of a PC? A upon 27B square. Then what is the value of VC? 3B. I write here 3B in this manner here. 3B. Let us think which thing gets cancelled. This 8A. This A gets not 8 is not cancelled here. A is cancelled. Here B into B square gets cancelled. 27 get cancelled. We get here 8 upon 3R. That means RTC upon PC VC is equal to 8/3. तो ये भी करेक्ट है. हमको इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट फाइंड आउट करनी है. ये करेक्ट है, स्टेटमेंट इनकरेक्ट 1 है. और देखते हैं. The rate of effusion of a gas is inversely proportional to the number of moles of gas. We know that Graham's law of diffusion, rate of diffusion of gas is inversely proportional to the square root of a molar mass. What is the relationship between molar mass and a number of moles? Number of moles inversely proportional to molar mass. Okay. अभी मोलर मास और नंबर ऑफ मोल्स इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल है, किधर डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल आना चाहिए था. ये स्टेटमेंट भी रॉन्ग है, मींस करेक्ट आंसर है. वी स्टेटमेंट आर रॉन्ग. स्टेटमेंट 1 एंड स्टेटमेंट 4 आर रॉन्ग वन. स्टेटमेंट 1 and 4 wrong. Let us see here option 1 and 4. D is the correct option. Gaseous hydrocarbons, question number 15, requires 6.5 times its own volume of O2 gas for complete combustion and produces 4 times of its own volume of carbon dioxide gas. What is the empirical formula of the hydrocarbon? In a short, I mention this is hydrocarbon CXHYO2 gives CO2 plus H2O. देखिए इधर अभी वॉल्यूम कितना बोला है हाइड्रोकार्बन ऑक्सीजन का 6.5 टाइम्स 6.5 मींस 13/2 और इधर क्या मेंशन किया इधर प्रोड्यूसेस 4 टाइम्स ऑफ इट्स ओन वॉल्यूम ऑफ अ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस। ये तो दिया है न्यूमेरिकल में 6.5 मींस 13/2 ऑक्सीजन है वॉल्यूम और 4 टाइम्स है कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड। इससे क्या पता चलता है डायरेक्टली C का वैल्यू है 4। हाइड्रोजन निकालते हैं हमें हाइड्रोजन पता नहीं इधर देख लो इधर कितने 13/2 है इधर हमें 4 है हमको 13/2 के लिए कितना चाहिए फिर we have to see here let us see 13/2 is nothing but the 6.5 4 हमको और कितना चाहिए 2.5 means here 5H2O चाहिए इधर देखते हैं रिएक्शन बैलेंस है या नहीं C4H10 plus 13/2 O2 gives 4CO2 gas 5H2O liquid। देखो बैलेंस है 4 कार्बन हाइड्रोजन 10 है ऑक्सीजन भी कितना हो गया है टोटल 4 + 5 9 13/2 ओके ऑक्सीजन बैलेंस नहीं हो रही इधर कट करने होगी CXHY here X is equal to 4 CO2 here 13/2 तो हमें इधर 5H2 लेना पड़ेगा क्योंकि हाइड्रोजन 10 हो गए अभी इधर। ये देखो 13/2 4 × 2 8 + 5 13/2 O2 13O रिएक्शन बैलेंस मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला आ गया C4H10 इसका एम्पिरिकल फॉर्मूला आना चाहिए C2H5 is the empirical formula C is correct option।